Hello, this is Sophia from Handleading. One of the most common questions I get from textile factory is, should I choose reactive ink or pigment ink? The honest answer, it depends on two things, your fabrics and your post-process setup. Reactive ink works on natural fibers, cotton, linen, modal, silk. Brighter color and softer hand feel because the ink bonds with the fiber, but it needs a full process: sieving, printing, steaming, washing, and drying. So the first question to ask yourself, do you have the equipment for steaming and washing in-house, or a facility nearby that can handle your post-processing for you? If neither, reactive is cost and complexity. Pigment ink is much simpler. Sieving, printing, fixation, no washing, no steaming. It works across almost all fabrics, especially blends. The second question, what fabric makes up most of your orders? If you are mostly natural fibers, cotton, silk, linen, reactive is worth the extra step. If your orders are mostly blends or a mix of different fabrics, pigment gives you more flexibility. So before choosing the ink, answer the two questions first. What's your post-processing? And what fabric do you actually run most? The fabric and your workflow give you the answer, not the other way around. Thank you.